guys, so today I am here. We're both sick.
We both are.
Your favorite sick YouTuber.
Ash isn't sick though.
We're gonna get her sick.
Doesn't care. She just wants to bite daddy.
Cutie pie. Hello friends, so today we are here to do a video. This was kind of last minute because I saw a comment and it was like, you should do a Valentine's outfit video. And then I was like, oh my god, yes I should, because I don't know what I'm gonna wear for Valentine's. I didn't even introduce you.
People know who
Everyone
I am.
knows who you are.
I'm the best.
This is Mr. Sausage.
I am the pretty one in the relationship.
His name is Evan.
Oh, that's so weird.
I know, but
Just call me what you usually call me.
Daddy. So I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to show you my outfits and have you rate them. That's the whole point of this video.
You already know what I'm
So
gonna
he
say.
would pick my outfit. No, I don't know, Aiden.
You do. 2 out of 10, babe. You already know.
I will go inside your pockets.
No, I don't like that. She got me these pants I'm wearing, like they're nice, but I hate the front pockets on them.
I like the front pockets. He doesn't like it when I
Stop
touch
invading
his
my
legs.
personal space.
Okay, so I picked out a few outfits that I wanted to wear on our lunch date. Is that a lunch date? I don't know. I don't know what we're doing Valentine's Day, but if we do something, I want to wear the outfit that he picks. Not only is he gonna help me pick, you guys are gonna help me pick. Comment below which outfit you like the most, and I will wear it. She's a biter. She's teething right now, and she's a little biter. Like this video for our Ash dance. Okay, so I am going to get into outfit number 1. Oh my goodness. Don't look yet. Don't look yet. I want to get a good... You can't even see. Okay, I'm gonna have to switch lenses because you can't even see my whole body, because this is not my wide angle lens.
It's nice.
I love this. This is my favorite dress in the world.
Kind of goth.
I know it is. I wish you guys could see my shoes. Hold on. Oh, my shoes are cutie. I'm gonna use another lens. In slightly worse quality, but you get to see the whole thing. I don't like the back of it. It's too open. It's like weird. It's like a big hole in it. Oh, give me my rating.
I'm a little too sick to do ratings. It's like a solid 8. I don't care for it that much. It's too black, too goth. Like,
I know, it's too goth for Valentine's Day. It's not a Valentine's outfit.
Black dress,
I mean, it could be, but...
black heel.
Oh yeah, the fishnet make it more goth. But I was wearing fishnets before and it's cold, but now it's hot, so I should probably take them off. And also I had a nasty allergic reaction on my legs. It's all red and gross. But yeah, I love this. I give it a 10.
The video's about me rating.
I know, that's the whole point. The whole point is so he can see the outfits right now. It's like a fitting, because he never does this. He never looks at my outfits like you never sit and let me do a fashion show. Unless, yeah, I mean, I go to his room, he looks at it for like 1 second, it's like, nice, I like it, and that's it. That's not good enough. Look at the details, look at the lace. This is my favorite dress in the world. He's sick, he's miserable, he doesn't want to.
I've been very sick. I've been more sick than she has.
I know. Okay, outfit number 2. Okay, I love this one piece so much. He likes it too. He saw it. And then, because I tried it on with like nothing under, no t-shirt.
Yeah, it was much nicer.
It was a lot nicer.
It was just too much.
Oh, the back is open too and everything. But yeah, I am in love with this. I didn't style it that good.
I think without the fishnets would be better.
Oh no, I wasn't even gonna wear this shirt with it. I wore the wrong shirt. I was supposed to wear a pink shirt or a turtleneck. I was gonna wear a turtleneck.
I like it.
I love this. This is my favorite thing ever. I could wear it with a Gucci belt too.
I'm very iffy about giving it 10 out of 10, so I'll give it a 9.
Why won't you give it a 10 out of 10?
I'm very
Because I didn't style it good?
If you didn't wear the shirt, it'd be a 10 out of 10.
Okay, I know it would be a 10 out of 10.
This is too much for public
This
use.
thing is my favorite, and it's got oh, these are fake pockets by the way, and it has like real pockets in the fake pockets. I like that as long as it has pockets. It looks like I'm not wearing anything on the camera. It looks very nude. You guys like my nude? So 9 out of 10 for this one?
Yes.
Okay. Aww. He's very sick. 1 leg equals 1 better sausage.
1 health restored for sausage.
Oh, 1 health restored. My poor baby. He suffers for the sake of my video. When you suffer, I buffer. Oh my god, I just realized. These are the most perfect Valentine's Day glasses. They're Gucci and they have hearts on them. So cutie. But anyways, here is the next look. Please excuse my bare feet.
Meanwhile, I'm looking up to see what I have.
Oh no. Bronchitis. Going to the doctor tomorrow.
I like this.
I like it too.
I hate those. Take those off.
No.
Take those off.
Baby, they're for Valentine's Day.
No, 0 out of 10.
No. They don't even fit on your big head.
I like it.
I've worn this before.
Yeah.
I can't wear the same outfit twice.
Solid 8.
Because I've already been Instagrammed in this outfit. Therefore, I can never wear it again.
Solid 8, maybe a 7. It's nice.
It's nice, but it's like, it's warm. I like it because it's warm. Because it's a sweater and there's a skirt.
You should take me out for Valentine's Day because I'm sick.
Why don't you try on outfits for me? You guys want him to try on outfits? Hit that like button and that.
Not right now, guys.
Not right now,
Okay.
but when he gets
Please
better,
don't.
I'm gonna make him try on outfits. I'm gonna buy you outfits and you're gonna wear them. Yes. He'll only do it for a video, never in real life. Okay, I am very, very upset because as I was trying to put this one on, see it has a zipper in the back that goes all the way up. I'm like, hey, this dress is hella stretchy. I could probably just put it on without doing the zipper. And my booty done ripped the zipper. I ruined it.
Yeah, you did.
So this dress was special because I wore this one on the red carpet for McDonald's. I was doing a thing for McDonald's. It's a $16 dress. But damn, how good does this dress look? This one has already been Instagrammed in, so.
It's very nice.
Its time
it's
is
very
up.
Valentine's-y.
It is very Valentine's, but it's now broken.
Still an 8 or a 9. 7 because you broke
Even
it.
with
7.
No! So, Mr. Sausage cheated on this one because he looked as I was coming into the room. This is the outfit. It's a chiffon shirt. The shirt is really bad quality. I've had this for a really long time and I just never wore it because it was like just a name I called it. And because it's like when I got it, the quality is not what I was expecting it. It kind of just feels like a handkerchief slash tissue. And then the skirt, it's cute. But yeah, this is a really cute outfit. This shirt is cute if it would like stay better. It kind of just, oh, it doesn't work here. Wants to pop them out. It reminds me of that lollipop. The one that I really like. The chumpa. It's like the strawberries and cream. It's perfect for Valentine's Day because it's strawberry and cream. Rating.
7.
Just handing out 7s all day.
No, they were mostly 8. It's just, this isn't your style.
It's cute though.
Take the glasses off.
Aww.
Comment that she looks dumb, please. Don't encourage this.
That's the whole point of these.
I live with her. Don't encourage this.
Hit or miss. I guess they never
Oh
miss,
my
huh?
God.
You got a boyfriend. I bet he doesn't kiss ya.
I don't.
He gonna find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gonna skirt and hit the dub like Wiz Khalifa. They with them balls like it's FIFA. Hit or miss. I guess you took the kids, huh? Okay, so I think I've worn this before for you to rate. So you're gonna rate it again. You've rated this one before. Let's see if you'll rate it the same thing.
It's Valentine's-y.
It's so Valentine's-y, and it's comfy, and it has an extra layer for when I eat and then my tummy blows up.
That makes it a 9.
Or I can be Batman. I like these glasses. They're my favorite. Would you fetch me a drink?
I like that jacket.
I know, I like it too. I don't really like this dress.
Too bubblegummy.
It is too bubblegummy. I don't like this whole front. And it smooshes your boobs in. My boobs are suffocating when I wore it. Look how fancy I look. Glasses are a bit much. Too bougie. Nothing matches.
Off.
I love these glasses. It's like when I put them on, I'm Gucci. What do you rate it?
8.
Truly? You like it that much? I thought you didn't like it.
I do. The bra doesn't go with it.
I know, obviously. 8. Is that your final answer? Okay, now you have to tell me which one was your favorite outfit.
I don't remember one of the first. I think it was one of the first ones, like the second or the third outfit. Or that or the red dress that you could
The
put
denim
zero.
or the red dress that
Oh,
broke?
yeah. Okay, so either the denim or the red dress with the flap so you can eat a lot.
And
That's
he
what
knows I eat a lot.
She does. She eats almost as much as I do. Pretty much the
Bad
same
thing.
amount. It's a bad
That's
thing.
a bad thing.
It's a bad thing for a pussycat like
I
you.
know. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and want us to do more videos together, make sure you hit that like button in the face.
When I'm not sick.
Thank you for doing the video with me. Such a nice thing to do. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. We are almost at 1 million subscribers on this channel, which is super exciting. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do for 1 million? Comment below. And comment below and let me know which outfit was your favorite.
She has 14 million on the other channel.
But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good Valentine's Day. And yeah, bye.
Please comment 1 health for sausage.
Hey guys, so I ended up wearing this and, well, you don't see it because I have a jacket because it's cold outside and it's raining. And yeah, so we ended up going to a tea house today for Valentine's Day. It sucks because I had to come home right away because I have a bunch of work to do on a very busy day today. We just kind of had like tea and some snacks and I just want to show you guys. Hey guys, so it is a rainy day today, so me and the sausage are gonna go get some tea